Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the personalization settings. Now let's tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. So we've got a lot of options to choose from, a lot of pretty options. What is more, we can tap on the gallery and we'll be transferred to our own files. So we will be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, you have to tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will appear on the full screen. So you can tap on the preview to check how it will look like right here on the lock screen. You can also swipe let's first of all talk about tapping on it, and you can check how it will look like on the home screen with all the icons applied, or you can swipe to check all other options and decide which one you like the most. So maybe this one. All we have to do right now is to simply go back from the preview option and tap on Set As. Now we can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and that will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.